Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to change the phone number associated with your Apple ID in 2025. Whether you've switched carriers, gotten a new SIM, or just need to update for security reasons, this process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have everything sorted out seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on a trusted Apple device like your iPhone or iPad, and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. This ensures two-factor authentication works smoothly, which is a key security feature in 2025. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. That's your Apple ID profile. Next, scroll down and select Sign in and Security, or Password and Security, depending on your device model. Here, you'll see your current phone number listed. Tap on it to edit. Now, enter your new phone number carefully. Apple will prompt you to verify it, so keep your phone handy. You'll receive a verification code via text or call. Enter that code when asked. If everything checks out, hit Save or Update. Remember, in 2025, Apple might require an additional security step, like biometric verification with Face ID or Touch ID, so be prepared for that. After saving, double-check by signing out and back into your Apple ID on another device or app to ensure the change has taken effect. If you run into any issues, like the number not verifying, make sure it's a valid mobile number and that two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. And there you have it. That's how you update your phone number with your Apple ID in 2025. It's a simple way to keep your account secure and up to date. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.